Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am going to have an informative video presentation about the amazing human body. So, the body is a series of 11 integrated systems, and each system carries out one major role or tasks. But first, let us know what are those 11 different organ systems of our body. So we have the integumentary system or the skin. We have the muscular system, skeletal system, nervous system, circulatory system, lymphatic system, respiratory system, endocrine system, urinary or excretory system, reproductive system, and the digestive system. So, our first organ system that I am discussing is the integumentary system or the skin. So, integumentary system forms the external body covering and protects deeper tissues from injury. The integumentary system includes the epidermis, dermis, hypodermis, associated glands, hair, and nails. This system performs many intricate functions, such as body temperature, regulation, cell fluid maintenance, synthesis of vitamin D, and detection of stimuli. The second one is the muscular system, and it permits movement of the body, maintains posture, and circulates blood throughout our body. And a whole skeletal muscle is considered an organ of the muscular system. Each organs or muscle consists of skeletal muscle tissue, connective tissue, nerve tissue, and blood or vascular tissue. It is a set of tissues in the body with the ability to change shape. So the third system is the skeletal. It is the human body's interior framework. It is made up of roughly 270 bones at birth, but by adulthood, this number has dropped to around 206 bones, as certain bones have fused together. The main structure of the skeletal system are the eggshell, comprising the vertebral column, the spine, and much of the skull, and the appendicular, to which the pelvic or hip and pectoral or shoulder, girdles, and the bones and cartilages of the limbs belong. This system works as a support structure of our body. It gives the body its shape, allows movement, makes blood cells, provides protection for organs, and stores minerals. The skeletal system is also called the musculoskeletal system. So the fourth system is the nervous system. It integrates incoming information from receptors and sends impulses to muscles and glands. The nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, is divided into two divisions, which are the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. Nerves branching off the spinal cord and extending to all areas of the body make up the peripheral nervous system. Signals are sent from the brain to the rest of the body, including internal organs, via the central nervous system. So the nervous system's activity thus regulates our ability to move, breathe, see, think, and so on. The next system that we are discussing is the circulatory system. So this system circulates blood and lymph through the body, consisting of the heart, blood vessels, blood, lymph, and the lymphatic vessels and glands. So the heart, a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout our body, is one of the components of our circulatory system. Our arteries, veins, and capillaries are all blood vessels. Red and white blood cells, plasma, and platelets make up blood. So the circulatory system's major job is to transport oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout our body's muscles, tissues, and organs. The circulatory system also removes waste from cells and organs so that our body can eliminate it. So, the next system that we are discussing is the lymphatic system, or also known as the lymphoid system. So, um, it is an element of the immune system that works in tandem with the circulatory system in vertebrates. A wide network of lymphatic capillaries, lymph nodes, lymphatic or lymphoid organs, and lymphoid tissues make up our lymphatic system, protecting our body from disease causing intruders, regulating bodily fluid levels, absorbing digestive tract lipids, and eliminating cellular waste are just a few of them. The lymphatic system's function can be harmed by blockages, illnesses, or infections. So, the next system that we are discussing is the respiratory system. It is a collection of organs and tissues that assist in breathing. Our airways, lungs, and blood arteries are all part of the respiratory system. Its main job or function is to move fresh air into our body while removing waste gases. Next system is the endocrine system. So it is a messenger system comprising feedback loops of the hormones released by internal glands of an organism directly into the circulatory system, regulating distant target organs. The endocrine system is made up of many glands. Our brain contains the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and pineal gland. Its function is to mix hormones for mood, development, and growth, sends hormones into our bloodstreams, and regulates the release of hormones. The next system is the urinary or excretory system, or also known as the urinary tract or renal system, consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The purpose of this system is to eliminate waste from the body, regulate blood volume and blood pressure, control levels of electrolytes and metabolites, and regulates blood pH. The next organ system is the reproductive system, also known as the genital system. Is a biological system that made up of all the anatomic organs involved in sexual reproduction. So within the context of producing offspring, the reproductive has four functions. First is to produce egg and sperm cells. Second one is to transport and sustain those cells. Third is to nurture the developing offspring. And the last one is to produce hormones. Its major structures are the male gonads, which are the testes. Their location within the scrotum is necessary for the production of viable sperm. The female reproductive system includes the ovaries, uterine, uterine tubes, uterus, vagina, accessory glands, and external genital organs. And the last organ system that we are discussing is the digestive system. The digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of digestion. The main organs that make up the digestive system in order of their function are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Helping them along the way are the pancreas, gallbladder, and liver. Our digestive system breaks down and absorbs nutrients from the food and liquids you consume to use for important things like energy, growth, and repairing cells. Thank you.